Tell me how your body's feeling
Much better.
in comparison to before.
A lot better, doctor. A lot.
What is
More
better?
flexibility, the pain is less. I'm able to, my neck, like I said last time, I'm able to rotate my neck much better now.
Excellent, excellent. More mobile. What about the pain level?
Pain level has decreased now.
Yeah.
It's a lot much better now, pain level.
Excellent, excellent. And you're keeping up with your exercise?
Yes, I'm doing that.
You were saying something else?
No, I said the back pain earlier when I have bath, to bend to take the water from the bucket used to pain a lot. Now it is much less now.
Excellent.
It's decreased the pain.
You can do that with
It's
ease
easier.
now?
It is easier now.
How are you in the mornings when you wake up? It's okay? Are you in pain in the mornings?
Not much now. Sometimes, but not every day.
Is the pain disturbing your sleep or can you sleep?
No, I can sleep, doctor.
How are these signs for you? What does this mean? Is this positive for you?
Yes, it definitely is positive.
Great stuff. You're doing so well, sir. I appreciate you've been so consistent with your care.
Thank you.
Please keep up with things.
Thank you so much, doctor.
Let's have it.
All with your guidance.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Good. Excellent. All right. We'll check this again tomorrow.
Yes, sir.